Okay. Right. Now there are two triangles. You say ABC and DEF. There are two triangles. Right. The case we are going to study two angle and a side AAS. Right. Two angle and a side equal when you are comparing two pair of angle and two one pair of sides equal in each other triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Right. So I am giving here this angle and right. Okay. Now I gave the sides. Right. Then here in this case, students, we will do right. First, identify the angle which is in the perfect place or not. This AB line equal for I gave EF. Check it is similar side. The side AB subtended with the two arc angle here. I mark with the two arc. And here empty. I didn't mark. Here also then two arc. And here empty. Okay, then angle should be perfect place it will form. Should form. And the side also it's similar. Right? Now we'll prove these two triangles according to the case AAS. Angle side. Right? Then writing triangle ABC, comma triangle DEF. Right, in triangle ABC, comma in triangle DEF. Right here, AB is equal. The other side I gave EF. Given. Right. Then BAC equal angle BAC equal here DEF. That is also I gave. Another angle also I gave. Which one? BCA OACB equal EDF. That is also I gave. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle EDEF. Case AAS. Right? Again, I am explaining, students. I gave two triangle ABC and DEF. In this, AB equal for EF. Check whether it is corresponding side. Corresponding side means yeah, the straight line form or the side is formed with two arc marked angle, and this side I didn't mark the angle. So like that it's formed. Check in this triangle also whether it is they given like that. I gave like that. E2 and the line is forming straight line. Here empty. So these two are equal. In case if I am giving here, you can't consider how the triangle is congruent. The side is equal. AB equal for DE. AB is equal for DE. But see, this side is forming between the two angles. But here not like that. So we can't consider these two triangles are congruent. At the same time, angle also see, if it is like this, the angle formed on the same straight line, conducting the straight line one. The D. Here not like that. It's going another line. So we can't make congruent. So the angle also should be in the perfect place. That means the corresponding angles, the corresponding place, the side also. So if I'm giving the lines here only it's perfect. In case if I'm giving this one DE, which one is suitable here, students? DE means. For the DE, which one suitable side? AC, AC. AC will be the suitable. If it is there, then you can consider. Right? But I gave other end. Okay, don't think about it now. For the explanation I done. Okay? Right. So this is the case. AB equal EF given. AB and EF with similar sides and the corresponding sides then equal. BAC equal DEF. BAC angle is equal DEF. At the same time, I gave BCA or ACB. You can write equal for EDF. So Three elements are there, one side and two angles. So the triangle ABC congruent for triangle DEF, AAS case. Okay, copy down quickly. Quickly copy down, students. Okay, students. Finish writing.
No, sir.
What about other students? Now make it fast.
Done.
Shall I write the board, students?
Okay, sir.
Right. Example, another one I give. This is the method. Now write the theorem that they given in the book. The next page, I think. The theorem is given, right? Quickly write that theorem, students. Okay, students, finish theorem. Right, this visible, is this visible, students, going on? The diagram.
Yes, sir.
Right, now write the question after drawing this diagram. First draw the diagram. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, DA bisected the angle BAC. DA bisected BAC. Alright, angle BAC bisected by DA. Better write like that. In triangle ABC, angle BAC bisected by DA. And AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Then two data I gave students. One is BAC, angle BAC bisected by the straight line DA. Bisected means both sides, both the angles equal. That means the BAC divided into 2. If it is 60 degree, here 30, this side also 30. If it is 100, 50, 50. 60 means 30, 30. Like that, bisected. Okay, these two bisected, these two angles are equal. BAC divided into 2 by the DA. That is first data. Second data, that AD is perpendicular to BC. What does it mean by perpendicular? What is the mean by perpendicular, students? Here the angle will form 90 degree in this place. Perpendicular means, okay, 90 degree will form both sides. Right? So, the right angle only there, indirectly I gave that note. Write the question, first one. Show that triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Which case? According to the second case, angle, the angle side, or side angle, whatever it is. Right? Now the last one I explained this that way. Then the triangle ABD congruent to triangle ABC means first we have to take the two triangle. What are the triangle? Then write. This is the question. Triangle ABD comma triangle ACD in triangles. Okay, in triangle ABD comma in triangle ACD. These two triangles we are going to make congruent. From this one we are going to collect the data. So first data BAC equal CAD. Why BAC equals CAD? DA bisected the BAC angle. That means that is a data or given. Why directly they didn't give it's equal. But there's a data they given. I gave the DA bisecting the angle BAC. BAC bisected by DA means both sides, both the angles are equal. BAD equal for CAD. Okay, that is given. That's a data. So another data I gave students. Then
is that BAC or BAD?
which one? BAD. Sorry, BAD. Sorry, BAD. The next one, ADB equal ADC. Why is that? They given, this is also I gave, what I was given students. AD perpendicular to BC. It is given, this is also given. Right? Perpendicular means the angle here it will form 90 degree, 90 degree. Directly I didn't give these two are 90. Perpendicular means both sides 90 degree. ADB equal ADC. Reason AD perpendicular for BC. AD perpendicular for BC means the angle will form in this place 90 degree. Already I showed. Right? That is also given. You better if you are writing this also for explanation I am giving, you can write this also. Right? Right. Now two angles we found. We need the other side AAS. Okay, AA and S we are finding. So BAD and BAC. So BAD equals CAD. ADB equal ADC, both we found. One is given indirectly, both they given indirectly, I gave indirectly. So we found that. Then other side, there's a common side. AD is common side. You can see, student, the AD common for both the triangle. When you are writing the triangle, yeah, ADB or ABD. ABD triangle. Other one is what? ACD. Yeah. AD. From both the triangle you can find. So AD is the common side. So the third element, AD is what? Common side. AD is a common side. AD is common side. Therefore, now we got three elements. What are the elements? BAD equals CAD one angle, ADB equal ADC another angle, and the common side is there. So we taken AD is a common side. Then A, therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. What is the case? Angle, side. Understood, students? Is that clear?
Yes.
What about others?
Sir, again.
Right, copy down quickly then, students.
Why you write AAS in bracket?
Angle, side. Two angle and a side. That is the case we are studying now, second case. When you are comparing two triangle or when you are going to make congruence for two triangles, already once I thought first case. Second case, we have to identify two equal pair of angle from both the triangle. There are two triangles, two equal pair of triangle. One is BAD angles, okay, BAD and CAD. One angle, one set of angle here. BAD equals CAD. That is one set of angle. For that A, standing angle. A standing angle. Then other one you prove now ADB equal ADC. Another pair of angle from both the triangle. Another A. Then two set of angles equal. Third one we have to find the side. The AD we have both sides. Some are writing like this also AD equal AD. Right? So the AD is common side, that is common for both the triangle. So two angle and another side is equal from both the triangle. So AA is standing for the angle side. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those who join beginning only, it's a problem. Okay, students? Make fast. Okay, students, shall I wipe the board? Right. I give you another question. Have you finished? What else?
Finish.
Draw the students. Draw this. Draw the diagram. In the given diagram, have you all drew? Shall I read? Shall I tell the question? Or you need some time? Students, shall I tell the question?
Okay, sir.
Can you hear my voice? Right. Write the question. In the given diagram, AB parallel for CD. In the given diagram, AB parallel for CD. O is the midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of AD. In given diagram, AB parallel for CD. O is the midpoint of AD, side AD, right? Show that triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. Show that triangle AOB congruent to COD. Show that the triangle AOB congruent to COD. Students, I will give you 1-2 minutes. Can you try? What else?
Okay.
What about others? Can you, students? Right, I will give a few minutes. Try that. Okay, students. What about students? Finished? What's happening? Students, right, listen. Now these are the two triangles we have to make congruence. Then first try triangle AOB, triangle COD. From these two triangles, we are going to find the elements and congruence, right? Students, you can do one vertical opposite angle is there. One vertical opposite angle. The vertical opposite angles are equal. And then the triangle AOB, then angle AOB equal COD angle. What is the reason? Now I didn't give vertical opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angle mark. Okay, you write in full form vertical opposite angles. Another set of angles also you can take. Only two pair we need. Already one pair I wrote. Another pair I am going to write. This and this. What type of angles? Alternate angles. When between the parallel lines, if the alternate angles are formed, then it will be equal. Then vertically opposite angles, already when the two lines are intersecting, it will form equally. Between the parallel lines, the alternate angles are formed equally. Between the parallel lines, the alternate angle form equally. Okay, this is BAO. Equal, which one? CDO. What is the reason, students? Alternate angle, but alternate angles are not equal always. The corresponding angle also like same. When it is passing through the parallel lines, only the alternate angles equal, corresponding angles equal, allied angle is 180. Everything is possible when the transversal going through the transversal means the line intersecting within the parallel line. Between the parallel line, another line is moving. So that one we are saying transversal. That straight line intersecting between two parallel lines, Then alternate angle form equally, corresponding angle equal form equally. A right angle also 180. Okay. Right? That's it. These things you are studying in grade 9. Now here BAO equals CDO. Yeah, I marked already. I didn't give that data. The line parallel. So okay, then you have to write alternate angles. Writing in short form here, AL alternate angle equal and also line parallel alternate angle equal. Always it won't be equal because AB parallel for CD. Okay, students, alternate angle equal. Why it is equal? Because AB parallel for CD. Between the parallel lines only it will be equal. Otherwise it won't be equal, right? Now we found two angles. We should find the side. There also data I gave. The line AD, I said O is the midpoint of line AD. O is the midpoint of line AD. If any straight line, when you are marking a midpoint, the midpoint is dividing the side into two parts. That means these two sides will be equal. Okay. Any straight line, when you are marking a midpoint of the straight line, the midpoint divide the side into two. Then here AD with the midpoint O, it's dividing the side into two, AO and DO. Then AO and DO equal. Right? According to this, any point, any straight line, when you are keeping a midpoint, the side will be divided by midpoint equally. So here the same thing happened. Then AO equal which one? DO. Reason you can write given. If not, O is a midpoint of which one? Midpoint of O is a midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of O is the midpoint of AD. That is the reason. Then two angle and one side. AO equal DO. Directly I didn't give AO equal DO. Midpoint, I said midpoint, then that. Like same BAO and CDO alternate angle. That's what I gave the parallel line. To the parallel line we are taking that angle. And directly you can see there's a vertical opposite angle also. Then one vertical opposite angle I took, one allied angle, alternate angle I took, and side. Then you can ask, we can find another alternate angle here. Yeah? This is also can. But only two pairs you can take. Better you take one vertical opposite angle, another set of alternate angle. This and this. Not wrong, you can take whatever it is. Right? So I taken like this. Okay, but no need to take all three angles because AAS. So therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. Clear, students? What is the case? What is the case, students?
AAS.
Is that clear? Good. Do you understand, students? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Take it down. Write down in your writing book. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Right. So we'll move for the third case. Write the heading for the third case. They given in the book. That means when you are comparing two triangles or when you are going to make the congruency of two triangles, we have to find three pair of equal side. Then S case. Side, side, side. S. Right? Where should I draw these two triangles? Directly I gave all the sides, equal sides. Only three pair we have. S. Write the heading and draw the triangle. Can you try this question, students?
Okay.
Easy, very easy. So identify the triangles and sorry the sides and write it. Very simple this one. In triangle PQR and XYZ. Two lines sides are equal, three lines sides are equal. Three mark here. Right. Which one? PR equal. Any order you can write. PR equal. Other side, it's right. I gave. Say PQ equal. Why is that? That is also given. Q equal. Very simple this one. X is also given. Therefore, angle PQR concurrence to triangle. Which one? XYZ. What is the case? S. Side. Okay, students. Okay, now write the theorem in book given. After writing this, write the theorem. That's in the book given, the third theorem in the case. Is this clear, students? Have you all got the answer? Boys? What are girls?
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. I will give another question then. After write the theorem or leave the space and you can write later. Draw the diagram. In given quadrilateral ABCD, side AD equal for BC and side AB equal to DC. Side AD equal for BC and side AB equal for DC. In given quadrilateral ABCD, AD equal BC, AB equal DC. Show that triangle ABC and triangle ACD are congruent. Show that or write like this. Show that ABC congruent to triangle ACD. Can you try, students? Two data I gave. Third one, just see and write. Students, what? Can you try this? What else?
Okay, sir.
Can, sir.
Okay, students. Right, data already I gave AD equal BC, first data. Right, triangle will be changed according to the ABC, side AB outright, and BC should write according to the triangle I gave. Right, then we are going to write like this now. In triangle ABC and comma triangle ACD. Right, then BC equal AD. You can't write AD equal BC because first triangle we are reported here ABC. According to that one we are right. The next one AB equal which one? CD or DC. That's not matter. Right? Both I gave. Third element common side. AC is a short form of writing common side. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle ACD. Only that much, students. What is the case? SS S. Right, only that much. Okay, students. Right, another question I giving. Draw this diagram. Draw this diagram, students. Right, write the question. O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle. Right? X is equal YZ. O is the center of circle. X is equal YZ. Show that or prove that triangle XOZ congruent to triangle YOZ. Show that triangle XOZ congruent to triangle YOZ. How to show students? The usual method, right? In triangle XO Z and comma triangle YO Z. Already I gave a data X Z equal Y Z. Given OZ is common side. OZ is a common side. Another data we need. Two sides okay. Another side. Then here XZ, YZ equal. OZ common side. Then what about the OX and OY students? That is the third side. We have the three SSS only we are taking. S. Then how to be equal? Any ideas?
Because of radius.
Very good. O, I said O is center of circle. So it's a radius. So OX equal OY. We are saying radius or radii. The singular radius, plural radii. Because OX and OY mean two radius. So we are saying radii, singular. Sorry, plural. So therefore, triangle XOZ congruent to triangle YOZ according to the case side, side, side. Understood, students? See, the variable questions are there. Okay, got it?
Excuse
sir.
me, sir. I have a doubt. How OX and OY is equal, sir? Can you
OX and OY.
explain?
OX, O is the center. Students, then center to when you are drawing up to the circle line, that is we are saying radius. Center to the line, circle, the arc. The length of the radius is what? Radius means what? The distance between center to circle. Or the arc, the distance to between center and circle. So this is the center and circle, any place it's radius. Then OX radius. Then OY also radius. Radius means on the same circle. Radius of the same circle, then equal. Radius are equal in length. Circle radius. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Copy down quickly then. Finish writing. I am asking, are you all finished writing?
Yes, sir.
Right. What about others?
Done, sir.
Okay, student, then today I am wind up the class now. Okay. So the fourth case is there. We'll study on next week and some question we can do. So students, until have a nice week. Good night. Take care,
Good night,
students.
sir. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night.